To manage notifications for a specific app on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we need to go to Settings. Then we want to scroll down and choose Notifications and Status Bar. And then we want to go to App Notifications. Over here we can find the list of apps. This is sorted by the time when we received a notification. So the most recent notifications will be at top. Now over here we can quickly enable and disable notifications by tapping on the switcher on the right side, but you can also tap on the app itself, and if notifications are enabled, then you have spotlight and permissions for notifications, and you also have notification categories, so you can go over here in order to find additional options. And most of the time, if certain notification settings are missing here, then most likely you need to go to a specific app and find the notification management options in the app settings itself. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!